Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all your text messages inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, on your Android mobile device, open up your text messages app on your phone. And then what you want to do to delete all your text messages, simply click and hold down any conversation. So I'll click and hold down here, and then a box will appear where it says all, so you can check that box there, and that will delete all your messages inside your Android mobile device. So if you go ahead and select all like I have done here, and then click on delete all, that will delete every single message on your phone. So that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.